This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Olivia Sawyer. Lovely 4-bedroom home in the heart of the coveted Whitehall community in Toano. A fantastic open floor plan showcases a formal dining room, large living room which opens to the great eat-in kitchen on the main level. Upstairs, a grand primary suite is accompanied by a huge closet and ensuite bath with dual vanity. 3 additional well-sized rooms, a full bath and a large laundry complete the second level. The basement offers fantastic condition storage and easy access to all mechanicals and an additional living room/play area and great office nook. Outside you can enjoy a large fenced yard and a great deck for entertaining. Additional features include a whole house generator, water filtration and softener and 2 well-maintained sump pumps for a worry-free basement. Fantastic location close to highways, shopping, entertainment and more. For more information, review the details below.